So we're going to talk about a couple of unique stuff today because some of you may have issues out there or you have in denial loan. So quizás te han dicho no puedes comprar una casa. Maybe you have heard, well, you have a DREAM Act, DACA, and you can buy a house. You have a work permit and they told you that that's not available anymore. You have a business that you just opened about less than 12 months ago, or what, about 24 months?
Yeah, less than 24 months. 24 months is the standard, but you can do it with way less.
So if you have opened a business and you want to buy a house and you think you cannot buy a house because of that, or someone told you no, you cannot, Samantha's going to give us a couple of tips on how we can actually purchase a house if you have a business less than 24 months old. Also, if you have an ITIN, there's also options for you. So, si tienes un número ITIN, también va a ser posible que puedas comprar casa. So, hay muchas opciones. Obviamente, you have to be really patient because each program takes time. Each program requires certain documents and each program is unique. So, you just have to be really patient. You may hear you cannot do that today, but maybe you can do it in a month or 2 months. But that's something that we have to work together with Sam in order to make that happen.
So starting off with like alternative types of financing. So for one, if you're ITIN, if you're DACA, if you have a work permit, I don't want you to be scared about that. There's so many financing options for you. There's still options for a low down payment amount, 3% down. There's still options for down payment assistance and stuff like that. You won't be able to go FHA any longer because there have been some guideline changes, but there's still tons of programs and products available for you. Okay, so that's number one. Number two is the credit score requirements. We can go down really low in credit score too. It depends on the loan program type. If you are a citizen, we can go down to a 500 credit score. If you're a non-citizen, typically we're going to go down to about a 600 credit score, but still that's a relatively lower credit score. We can make things work for you. Another thing is if you haven't been self-employed for 2 years, that's not a big deal. We can totally qualify you. We can do it a bunch of different ways. We can qualify you with a letter from a CPA or a tax preparer. We can use your bank statements, whether they're personal bank statements or business bank statements. We add up those deposits. That's the amount of money that we're going to give you in income. There are so many different ways to make that work. So don't be discouraged by those things as well, because we can do it.